If you're experiencing billing issues with your Gmail account, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies or charges that you do not recognize. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Manage Purchases to see a detailed list of transactions. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method has expired or needs updating, replace it with a new one. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, select that payment method or edit your existing payment details to ensure they are current. Step 4. Contact Google Support. If the issue persists after checking your payment method and billing history, reach out to Google Support. Visit the Google Help Center and select the appropriate category to get assistance tailored to your billing problem. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your billing history and ensure that your payment information remains up to date to avoid future problems. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing issues with your Gmail account. Stay proactive in managing your account to prevent future complications.